Hey guys, back again. Today I'm gonna talking about the headphone EQ setting. No more waiting. Let's go. The progress of increasing or decreasing the volume of specific frequency range. This allows you to change the character of the sound to match your personal preference, or to correct the sonic flow of a particular pair of headphones. Understanding the frequency spectrum, the sound we hear is generally divided into three main bands: bass, low frequency, is 20 Hz to 250 Hz. This covers the thumb of the kick drum and the fullness of the bass guitar. The mid-range is 250 to 4000 Hz. The most critical range as it contains vocal and majority of musical instruments. Treble, high frequency, is 4000 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This includes crumbles, clearly detail, and the sense of air or width in the sound state. And that's for today. See you next time.